टेक्निकल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी इनबिल्ट को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को दबा के नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन कर दीजिए।
So finally, WhatsApp Business has been launched in India with its cool WhatsApp Business tools. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology Inbuilt, and today in this video we are going to talk about WhatsApp Business. So with that being said, do like this video, do comment and do subscribe to watch amazing videos like this. So now let's get started. Firstly, let's see how to download and set up your profile on WhatsApp Business. So first of all, you have to go into your Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp Business and install it from there. After installation, and now enter your mobile number and verify it. After verifying, you have to click on three dots in the upper right corner and you have to click on business settings and then profile to set up your business profile. After that, it will ask you for your business information like your business address, business description and many other things like social networking sites and your websites. Enter all this information and click the save button. So this was about installation and setting your business accounts. Now let's take a look at some of the business tools which will help you to grow your business. So guys, the first thing is you can use your normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business at the same time in a same mobile phone. But the numbers you are using on the both WhatsApp should be different. So the second thing is it allows you to give proper service to your customers, and it also informs the customer about your social networking site, website and your business information. So here are some business tools in this WhatsApp Business. So the first is away messages. So this tool will allow you to send automated messages to your customer when you are out of your schedule or away from the phone and when you cannot reply those messages. So the second tool is greeting messages. So this tool can be used to send automated messages to your new customer and greet or welcome them by sending a proper message. And it even sends messages to your old customers who don't have activity in 14 days. So the next tool is quick replies. So you can use this tool to send quick replies to your customers by just adding a keyword after a slash so that you can send a long or lengthy message to your customer without wasting much of your time. So now the best tool is the labels. You can organize your message by just adding labels to them. Like if you have a new customer or a new order, you can click on the message for a few seconds and you will get a label option on the top of your screen for which you can add in a proper organization panel. So guys, this was all for this video. If you like this video for whatever reason, do press that thumbs up button. This is Dinesh Pani signing out. See you in my next upcoming videos. Have a great day. Thank you.